Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Emily, and today we are gonna do a room tour because my room changed since the last time you guys saw it on my house tour. My house, it changed a lot since my last. We remodeled our office and the playroom. So yeah, we are gonna do a room tour. So guys, here is my room. Okay, so here is just my clothes. Those things open a lot. I use school backpack, trash can, my school backpack, and I don't want to look at it because school's over. And then, yeah. Right here is my desk where I go do schoolwork. I made this painting at school for the last day. And then I read, and then Foxy, my favorite animatronic, Mango, my favorite animatronic. You guys would know who they are if you guys play and watch Five Nights at Freddy's. And then right here, all of my Five Nights at Freddy's characters. Yeah, and then right there. Yeah, I just love Five Nights at Freddy's. And then right here are just some pictures of my friends. I'm not showing Kemily's face because Kemily, she's not allowed to have her face on YouTube. So yeah, that's why I blocked it. Right here, Yoshi, green Yoshi. Wait, is that Yoshi? I don't know if it's Yoshi. I think it is. I don't know. Or it's a mushroom, green mushroom, not Yoshi. My old cat, Timmy. Sadly, he passed away, Timmy. I love you, Timmy. Okay, and then right here, Squishy. Some pictures from school. Yeah. To me and one of my Miss Monks. A giant poster that me and my friends, Clara and Aria, made with me. My iPad, yeah. Pictures of me when I'm a baby. What time is it? Yeah, it's that time. A giant thing. Here's where I keep. Here's where I keep my Beanie Boo's birthdays. So and then yeah, that's this part. Okay. Then it says Emily. And then right here is my bed. It's just a bed with. I put in my Beanie Boos right here. I have 48 Beanie Boos now. Yeah, I have 48 of these beautiful Beanie Boos. I love collecting Beanie Boos since first grade. Now I have 46. I mean, 48 of them. Lush is not there because Lush is in my brother's room because I sleep in his bunk bed. But here is just my bed. Yeah. And then, yeah. I cleaned it because it was the end of the school year and I had to clean all of my schoolwork that was on my desk. And then, yeah. Here's where me and my brother keep all of our money. We're saving up for a gaming room. Hopefully we'll get that, and then, yeah, back there. And then more pictures of me when I was a baby. That's my cute little puppy, Rocky, my puppy. Yeah, it says Emily up there next to my Beanie Boos. Yeah, my great-grandma gave me that. And then here's just a messy closet because those are things I'm going to give away. And then these are just other things, toys I'm going to give away. And some books. And then there's my swimming stuff that I use for swimming. Me and my brother, we put our GoPro on there and we go swimming. Yeah. And then, yeah. Here my Pokemons. I forgot to show you guys these ones. My Pokemons, my Neighborhood Squad memory book, and then my Beanie Boo book. My goal is to collect every single Beanie Boo in this book. So yeah. Yeah, Mango, my favorite. My my beautiful gaming headphones because they're beautiful and I needed them to game because they're beautiful. My LED lights, I have LED lights now because I love LED lights. I wanted pink ones, but I couldn't find pink ones at the $5 store. I'll get some more, I think, to put up there. And then, yeah, that's my whole room tour. And the last thing I wanted to show you guys before I say bye, Rocky got a new haircut because it's summer and he needed a haircut. Look at him. Tell me in the comments below if you guys liked his haircut. Look how cute he is. Rocky. Hi, buddy. He was sleeping. He's 14 years old. I hope you guys like his haircut. He cut it. Yeah. It is summer and school's over, so yeah, he had to get a haircut. Baby, stop licking that part. Okay? You don't want to get an infection like last time. He's very old.